Okay, go over there and then come here so I can tell you. Can you record his face? He looks precious.
Oops. He's sitting down, waiting patiently for treats. And the honey badger does
Good
not give a
boy,
damn.
Chewy. Canela, venga.
Ahora Canelita,
Yes,
lo que le
Can you
enseñamos.
say Canela? Good
You see?
girl. Good girl, Canela.
Okay,
See where you're learning those manners from? Hmm? Your brother? I don't got no more. Let me see.
they like that one, that's it.
Ah. Okay. Can you sit? Good boy, Chewy. See, sits on command. On command. Oh, you sitting too, Canela? Canela? Can you sit? Can you sit? Good girl, see? She learned fast. She did. Okay.
One last time.
One last time, you're gonna get fat.
From front vision.
Okay. Canelita? Here, girl. Can you sit? Good girl. Here you go. Chewy! Buddy. Can you sit?
You didn't even
He
ask
already
him.
knows. Good boy.
Okay, Canelita, sit.
You want another one?
Canelita, sit.
Can you sit?
Sit.
Good girl.
Okay.
Okay, no more treats. Because we're gonna run out of treats. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's it. No more.
Okay, no more. Just with the cuteness of both.
Ay, viene Chewy.